In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change hideout in POE2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Swapping hideouts in POE2 or even POE1 is extremely simple. You will have to unlock them by exploring your map, and then after you explore and unlock new hideouts, they will become available for you to swap into. To do this, teleport to any hideout that you have and locate Alva. When you interact with Alva, one of the main options here is going to be select hideout. So all that you have to do is talk to Alva and choose the select hideout option. As you might expect, this is then going to open up this interface where you can see all of the hideouts that you have unlocked. And if you have one unlocked, you just choose the swap option. If you see the lock icon like this, it means that you will not be able to select that hideout, of course, because it hasn't been unlocked. So in that case, you simply have to go there and unlock it if you want that specific one. There's no secret to this. So make sure that you have a specific one that you want to play in unlocked, and you will be able to select it after you complete the campaign, enter the end game, clear a new hideout, and you have it good to go. It's simple, and all that you need is to talk to Alva. So you can change between them by talking to this NPC on your current hideout. If it doesn't work, just restart the game. Sometimes it can glitch out, but that's all. Once you talk to Alva and select hideout, you will be able to choose which one you want to swap into. You can also customize it and save hideout layouts and even import community created ones to make the process much simpler. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on how to swap hideouts in POE2, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.